Live, Johar Tsnaraev, on your side, asks the prominent Boise attorney who defends suspected terrorists how the rules change in these cases. Fink has more.
In most criminal cases, suspects, when arrested, receive the constitutional right to an attorney and the right to remain silent, but not suspected terrorist Johar Tsnaraev. The federal government invoked the public safety exception in the alleged Boston bombers case, allowing investigators to question Tsnaraev without issuing Miranda rights.
If it's believed that there is imminent public danger, a threat, a person can be questioned and held without being told of those rights. The FBI applies this public safety exception quite broadly, quite aggressively.
Boise lawyer Scott McKay represented terror suspects at Guantanamo Bay. He says not Mirandizing the suspect is a huge difference from what usually happens to defendants. But the attorney argues nothing about Tsnaraev's case is typical.
That's illustrated by what happened today. He had his first appearance from a hospital room. He was charged and appeared in court, if you will, from his hospital bed. They just handle these cases much differently.
McKay says criminal defense attorneys take these cases not because they are convinced of a client's innocence, but because they believe in the founding principles of our justice system.
Before anybody jumps to conclusions, it's important that this man be given a fair trial and the due process to which he's entitled.
Tsnaraev was issued his Miranda rights and appointed a public defender at his bedside. Now, there was speculation that Tsnaraev, who was charged today as a civilian, might have been charged as an enemy combatant. But according to McKay, because Tsnaraev is a U.S. citizen, in this case, charging him as an enemy combatant is unconstitutional. Live tonight, Fink, today's 6 on your side.